Are you looking for the best outdoor chairs? In this video we will look at some of the best outdoor chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Kijaro Dual Lock Portable Camping and Sports Chair. This more traditional looking four-legged chair comes recommended by two parents, who say it is far more comfortable to sit in than others they've set up along the sidelines of their kids' games, and one camper who loves how portable the chair is for its sturdiness. Barber Rodney Cutler, a dad to two soccer players, told us that other less expensive lawn chairs he's tried don't have enough seat support, which makes them harder to get in and out of. But this chair, while still light, sits you fully upright, so you never sink. Cutler also likes its two cup holders and additional zip pocket, which provide plenty of space to keep drinks and other essentials within reach. Alison Konalog, the aunt of two volleyball players, says she also has watched many of their games from this chair, which she's gifted to people because she likes it so much and has even started taking to the beach. She agrees that its seat does not sink, making it easier to get out of, adding that it locks into place when it's open and folded up, making it that much easier to carry, with or without the carry bag it comes with. And Nayla Blades, a leadership coach and founder of Color Outside, adds that on top of the above benefits, the seat is also wide enough to never feel like a tight squeeze, and that the range of colors it's available in, 12 at time of writing, allows you to add a fun pop of color to your campsite. At number 2. GCI Outdoor RoadTrip Rocker Chair. 4 of the people we spoke to recommended different lawn chairs that rock. According to Real Simple executive editor Rory Evans, the mother of softball-playing children, who told us she has a tattoo of a rocking chair on her ankle, rocking lawn chairs can make endless kids' sports games more comfortable, and are much easier on the lower back. Writer and outdoorsman James Lynch is also a fan of rocking lawn chairs, telling us that once you've rocked, every other chair seems pedestrian. His favorite rocking lawn chair is this model from GCI, a brand that came up a lot in chatting with our experts. It folds up like a normal heavy-duty pop-up chair, but it's so much more, Lynch says. The metal construction is great, the fabric is durable, and it has nice hard plastic armrests and a beer can holster. But his favorite feature is the chair's patented rocking mechanism, which he says works like this. The system works by using strong metal pistons on the back legs that compress as you push back, and then decompress to rock you forward. It does take a bit of a push to get the chair going, but once it goes it's supremely comfortable. Should you want to sit still, Lynch adds that the mechanism can be adjusted so that the chair doesn't rock. At number 3. GCI Outdoor Pod Rocker Chair. For a rocking chair with a little more give, Fliss recommends this less expensive GCI model, which has a more flexible sling seat. He describes it as a rocking chair you can take anywhere. At just under 12 pounds, it's lighter than the RoadTrip rocker and, according to Fliss, can be deployed in a few seconds. Rocking chair for outside, equipped with a structured sling-style seat for all-day comfort, this portable folding chair for outside quickly and easily folds up for simple storage and transportation. Quality construction, equipped with a sturdy powder-coated steel frame, this outdoor folding chair supports up to 250 pounds and includes a combination beverage holder and side phone pocket. Smooth rocking, patented spring-action rocking technology allows this outdoor folding chair to rock on most outdoor surfaces. This folding rocking chair for outside makes a great rocking camping chair, rocking sports chair, or rocking lawn chair. Simple setup. This rocking camp chair for adults is fast and easy to set up. Included carry bag makes it simple to transport this folding camping chair for adults to campsites, sporting events, concerts, and festivals. Portable, this folding lawn chair for adults measures 28.2 by 30 by 34.7 inches when open with a seat height of 20.1 and folds down to 6.5 by 5.5 by 40.2 inches, 11.7 pounds, limited lifetime warranty. At number 4. GCI Outdoor FirePit Rocker Portable Folding Low Rocking Chair. Clint Carlson, the creative director of multi-platform camping resource 50 Campfires, is also a fan of GCI's spring-loaded rocking chairs. His favorite style is the FirePit rocker, which sits lower to the ground than most chairs, a height he finds to be more relaxing. Carlson, who says he didn't want anything else after sitting in this chair, adds that it folds flat and is easy to tote around. Rocking chair for outside, equipped with a breathable mesh backrest and convenient carrying handle, this portable folding chair for outside quickly and easily folds flat for simple storage and transportation. Quality construction. Equipped with a sturdy powder-coated steel frame, this foldable outdoor chair supports up to 250 pounds and features padded armrests and a beverage holder. Smooth rocking. Patented spring-action rocking technology allows this outdoor folding chair to rock on most outdoor surfaces. This folding rocking chair for outside makes a great rocking camping chair, rocking sports chair, or rocking lawn chair. Simple setup. This rocking camp chair for adults features patented Easy Fold technology for fast, safe, and easy setup. Included carry handle allows you to transport this folding camping chair for adults to campsites, sporting events, concerts, and festivals. Portable. This folding lawn chair for adults measures 25.6 by 24.4 by 33.1 when open with a seat height of 14.8 and folds to 25.6 by 5.5 by 33.1 inches, 12.1 pounds, limited lifetime warranty. At number 5. Cascade Mountain Tech Low Camping Chair. This low-down chair doesn't rock, but according to photography director Meg Reinhardt, who has used stationary low-camp chairs for nearly a decade, it has everything you need in an outdoor chair. It's light, super sturdy, and the mesh back means it's breathable when the sun is blasting you, Reinhardt says, adding that its lower stature makes the chair more compact than most traditional lawn chairs, so it takes up. Versatile uses in compact, ideal for camping trips, beach outings, sporting events, outdoor concerts, and beyond. This low-profile chair is versatile, lightweight, and folds conveniently for easy transport. Comfortable, camping chair with breathable mesh fabric and cushioned armrests. Compact, 22-inch high and 20 wide, sits 5 off the ground allowing you to easily snuggle up by the campfire. Folds up fast and stows easily, 26 inches by 8 inches folded. Convenient, folding chair includes a handy storage bag with shoulder straps for easy transportation and storage. Carrying weight is under 7 pounds. Capable, strong steel and aluminum frame holds up to 250 pounds. At number 6. GCI Outdoor Freeform Zero Gravity Chair. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line, luxurious chair to relax in outdoors, Carlson says this GCI chair is the ultimate in backyard comfort. While zero-gravity chairs that hold your entire body off the ground are nothing new, he says that GCI's is the only one that allows you to lock the backrest in place while your feet are still raised. It's excellent for conversation around a fire, does a good job of relieving pressure points, and is great to nap in, too, he says. Though he cautions this would be better for someone who doesn't intend to move it around a lot, because the 19-pound chair is not as portable as other chairs. Experience a new kind of outdoor luxury with the Freeform Zero Gravity Lounger. The first of its kind, the Freeform Zero Gravity Lounger can switch seamlessly back and forth between two modes, Freeform mode and Zero Gravity mode. Freeform mode allows you sit upright and smoothly raise your legs with the easy-to-use handle utilizing the Freeform leg rest technology. Zero Gravity mode allows your entire body to recline into a weightless position. Additional features of the Freeform Zero Gravity Lounger include an adjustable headrest, position locks to keep you reclined as much or as little as you'd like, and a combination beverage and phone holder. At number 7. Ostrich Chaise Lounge. Strategist contributor Bianca Buchanan told us that this chair folds up really well, despite the fact that it's very large, and has a strap so you can carry it around. Once unfurled, it also has a hole for your head, like one you'd see on a massage table, so you can lay on your stomach and tan, Buchanan explains. Ultimate luxury lounging. Experience unparalleled comfort with our Ostrich Lounge Chaise featuring an open/close face cavity, arm slots, and a pillow for the epitome of relaxation. Effortless portability. Effortlessly transport and store your lounge chair with its lightweight, foldable design and convenient carrying strap, ideal for beach trips, poolside lounging, and camping adventures. Built to last, crafted with rust-resistant aluminum, alloy steel frame, and heavy-duty polyester fabric, this chaise lounge is designed for durability and longevity, enduring the test of time. Stay cool and dry. Our seat material is engineered for quick drying and excellent breathability, ensuring a sweat-free, comfortable lounging experience even on the hottest days. Versatile comfort. With patented open/close face cavity and armholes, you can lounge on your back or stomach. Choose from 4 positions to recline or lay flat, and enjoy the luxury of your personal tanning bed, massage table, or reading chair wherever you go. At number 8. Helinox Chair One. This ultralight 2-pound chair comes recommended for its ability to pack down to about the size of a fanny pack. It's a favorite of outdoor journalist Ryan Wichelns, who told us last spring that he carries it with him while backpacking and car camping, or just into the backyard. When we checked in with him this week, he told us it's only become more of an essential for him in the time since. According to Wichelns, it's the ideal balance of comfort and durability. I've seen other lighter chairs break down, but I've had the same chair going strong for 5 years now. It's a favorite of Amazon customers, too, whose praise landed the chair on our list of the best lawn chairs you can buy on Amazon, according to reviewers. Wichelns says setup is simple. The shock cord sets the poles in place automatically, leaving the user to simply stretch the fabric seat over the body. Lightweight, compact camping and backpacking chair packs smaller and weighs less than a bottle of wine. Chair frame is constructed from advanced proprietary aluminum alloy to provide maximum strength at a minimum weight, holds up to 320 pounds. Removable seat and zippered carrying case are made from durable, UV-resistant, 600 weave ripstop polyester. Material is machine washable. Setup is fast with a single internal bungee cord that assembles poles. Assembled chair measures 21.5 W x 20 D x 25.5 H inches, seat height is 10 inches. Ideal for travel and camping, weighs 2.10 pounds and measures 4 by 4.5 by 14 inches. Packed and included bag, manufacturer's 5-year warranty.